Let's learn to work with the acknowledgement mode. To check the current mode, use the check acknowledgement mode function. We can see that it is enabled. Now, let's disable it using the function disable acknowledgement mode and check if the changes are applied. We can observe that the change has taken effect, and the acknowledgement mode is now disabled. Let's try enabling it, using the function enable acknowledgement mode. Let's also check if the changes are reflecting by reading the settings. You can see that the acknowledgement mode has been enabled. Using the functions, you can effortlessly enable, disable, and check the acknowledgement mode, as demonstrated.